Oh man, I think I'm coming down with the flu or something. I just saw Lady Martinez video about me so-called sucking off Beasley. There were some videos I had to take down because my insignificant ass was going too far. I'm so insignificant, but I'm hurting people's feelings to the point where I gotta take down videos. Yeah. Who's ever asked you to take down anything, Donna? Oh man. Hold on, let me get my NyQuil real quick. Everybody says this stuff doesn't this sector doesn't affect them. But yet now I'm ending beefs. And you're still talking about me after I left you alone. Yeah. Let's not forget, Donna, everybody saw your pussy on YouTube. And your Dennis Rodman boss. Hope. So yeah, I guess I'm sucking off Beasley now. No, maybe I'm just showing respect towards Beasley. Maybe I heard his side of the story. Yeah, but yeah, go on, Donna. Keep doing your boring ass live streams. Nobody's gonna watch. Happy New Year's.